American food, barbecue chicken recipes. Make your oven barbecue chicken. This popular oven barbecue chicken is easy to prepare with a delicious homemade barbecue sauce. In a pinch, you can use about 1.5 cups of your favorite purchased barbecue sauce, or use this Southern molasses barbecue sauce or this bourbon barbecue sauce. Use a cut-up chicken halves or quarters, or use thighs or whole legs in the recipe. Boneless chicken thighs would also work well in this recipe. Total time, 70 minutes. Prep, 15 minutes. Cook, 55 minutes. Yield, 4 servings. What you'll need: 3.5 to 4 pounds chicken pieces, 2 teaspoons salt, or more as needed, 1 teaspoon black pepper, ground, or more as needed. Optional, garlic powder. Barbecue sauce: 3/4 cup ketchup, ½ cup cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, dash pepper, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, ½ cup packed light brown sugar, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. How to make it: 1. Heat the oven to 350 F. 2. Sprinkle the chicken pieces liberally with salt and pepper. Sprinkle lightly with garlic powder, if using. 3. In a saucepan, combine barbecue sauce ingredients, blending well. Bring to a gentle boil over medium heat. Reduce the heat to low and continue simmering for 1 minute. 4. Arrange the chicken pieces in a shallow roasting pan or baking dish skin side down in a single layer. Brush the chicken with about half of the sauce. 5. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. 6. Turn the chicken skin side up. Brush with remaining barbecue sauce. 7. Bake until juices of the legs and thighs run clear when pierced with a fork, about 20 to 30 minutes longer. 8. According to the USDA, chicken must be cooked to a minimum safe temperature of 9. Broil briefly for a few minutes at the end if you'd like crispier skin. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel please.